What's good, YouTube? Gary here. This is G-Town Bricks, and we are going to be taking this Deli grocery from Spider-Man and using BrickAtive's instructions, turning it into a 2100 piece deli grocer. So let's get to it. Alright, so we got our half base plate, 16 by 32. So let's get building. Alright, so I forget where I left off, but it's a week later, and I finally completed this. I always underestimate how long it'll take me to do any Lego project. I was thinking I could have this done in a day. Part of the problem was this little mural thing. So the instructions, it was kind of hard to tell what was supposed to be reddish brown, what was supposed to be nougat, what was dark brown versus black. I don't even know if you could tell on camera, but that's dark blue intermixed with dark green. That was hard. Let's see. Well, I'll go floor by floor. Let's do that. Alright, so this panel just slides right out. And so the entire floor is obviously sand green, but the instructions, it made it look like it was like that aqua color. So I was like, oh well, maybe I don't have, all my pieces. So I just went and I started doing aqua, and then didn't realize, oh, that's supposed to be sand green. So there's a lot of things like that where I just didn't think I had the correct colors. And then making my meals, half of this was purple, and I didn't realize that this is supposed to be on the outside. So just purple ground right there. So I had to cannibalize the existing set in order to get these deli signs. Now these over here, all three of these are from I'll put the link. Pry Customs or Pry Bricks, something like that. Anyway, yeah, these are all printed right here. So it's a pretty cool design. I've got quite a few BrickAtive modulars in the city. Alright, for the second floor here, I just found my printed piece for the deli sign, so I may try and do something similar so you can see it on this side as well. I don't know, that's future problems. But it's got a nice little apartment. Now, there aren't any stairs leading up to these apartments. So I guess, you have this little door here. And I guess you can, the next building is how you would get into these second floor, second and third floors, I guess. I don't know. Alright, in the third floors, that's where your living room is. You got your couch, a little TV there, a nice little bathroom. There's your roof. Oh no, like I said, this is a cool build. Nice little corner grocery bodega. Next video, we'll put it in the city. Please like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Holla at Ellis in the next video. Peace.